Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be cooking some delicious coconut rice. In the pot I have some water boiling. I have 2 cups of rice. I have white pepper, some chunk coconut. It came in a bag and it doesn't have the skin. It doesn't really taste coconutty when you use it alone, so I'm gonna be combining it with canned coconut milk. It's 13.5 ounces. It's so creamy. I'm gonna use both of them. Then salt to taste. I normally use fresh onion, but I have this purple or red onion. I don't want it to change the color, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use the powdered one instead. It tastes the same. So let's start cooking. In the boiling water, I'm gonna add the 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit just to get the starch down. We try to reduce the starch by boiling it this way. So I'm gonna start blending the coconut. There are other ways to process your coconut. You could grate it, you could use a food processor, but I like to use the blender. That's my go-to way. It's easy for me. I just put it in the blender, add some warm water to it and blend it until I'm satisfied. When I was growing up, I was taught that you need to use hot water, warm water to extract the milk. So that's what I've been doing. I always use warm or a little bit hot water to extract the milk. Maybe it makes it easier for the milk to come out, I don't know, but that's what I was taught to do. So I'm gonna be straining the coconut milk. The mesh I'm using is a very fine one. It's gonna help separate the chaff from the milk. It's perfect. I don't have to use anything extra. So it is time to wash out the rice. It has been boiling for a couple of minutes. It's not tender, it's not cooked through. We just do this to reduce the starch. Most Nigerian homes do that. So that's part of the ritual of cooking rice. We try to reduce the starch. So I'm gonna add the milk. The one I extracted is lighter than the one from the can, but I'm gonna mix it because it makes it creamier. That's what I love about the coconut rice I used to eat when I was young. When I used to visit my village, there's this lady that cooks this very creamy coconut rice. I just added some powdered onion. I'm gonna add in the white pepper. You can use as much as you want. I'm gonna add salt to taste, salt as much as you want to. I'm gonna mix it, then add the rice and let it cook until it is ready. I love creamy, mushy coconut rice, just like the way that lady used to cook it in the village. It tastes so good. You only taste the coconut milk, nothing extra. It's not spicy, no strong taste, just the coconut creamy milk. So I like it to be really mushy. So I'm adding some more water because I want it to be like mushy, not flaky. It's just like comfort food to me, the way you feel when you eat mac and cheese or when you eat banga rice. That's how I feel whenever I eat the creamy coconut rice. So I cover it with some foil to retain the heat, and so now it is ready. See the creamy goodness, see the cream on top, see the, oh my god, when you taste it, it's divine. I love coconut rice. I just like the simple things you put, no overpowering taste, just the coconut taste and enough salt. I love spicy food, but I don't mind not having a lot in coconut rice. Just the creamy coconut, mushy to get, just like mac and cheese, as if the rice has been soaking in the milk for a long time. Oh, So why don't you try my recipe to understand what I feel when I eat this rice? Sardine and coconut rice is a match made in heaven. This is how I enjoy it. It tastes so good. The saltiness from the sardine is perfect. Give it a try and let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know when you do in the comment section. Till I see you again, God bless you. Thank you, and thank you to my subscribers. God bless you. Bye.